2. So this is the chapter 9 of going shopping. So this is going to be both very similar to the last lesson, which I think is quite simple. So should be able to complete this. Let's get straight into it then. So going shopping. So last lesson, the previous lesson we were looking at money. This one we're looking at buying stuff. So what is the price of this trolley? So you should remember from P1 that if we don't have anything in cents, we just say it's dollars. It's $2,304. So how much money do I need to buy it? Well, I've got 2,000, 1, 2. Let's use color, let's use green. 1,000, 2,000. I need the 300, 1, 2, 3. And then I need $4. So it's not that one, not that one, not that one. It's those two. Let's check our answer. Excellent. Okay. The price of this pot, well, how much is that? That's going to be $468. I find my the price. So what do I need to work out this one? Well, I need to find 100, 200, 300, 400. So I found that one. Now I need to calculate 60. Well, I can do 50 and I can do 10. That gives me 60. Then I need to calculate 8. 5, 7, 8. Excellent. What's the price of the jumper? So it's $113.90. So how much do I need? Well, first I need to make my 113, which is those ones, and then I need to make my 90 cents, which I can do 50 and 2 20s. Excellent. The price of the shoes, baby shoes, is $178.80. So what do I need to do there? Well, that's 150 and 70. So not those 10s. I need to do 8. That's 178, and now I need to make 80 cents, which I could do two ways. I could do 50 and these 3 10s, 50 plus 30, or I could do 50 and 20. So I'd use one this coin. Are there any other ways to pay? Well, yes, they are. So I could have used these 2 10s instead of this 20. Yep, exactly. Okay, let's look at some word answers, word problems. So we got Mum buys, didn't mean to do that. Mum buys $11 cup and a $7.60 bowl. How much should she pay? So I've got to add these 2 numbers up. Now, we can do it with coins like we did in P1. So that's 10, 15, 17, 18. And then we just add our coins up. $11 plus $7.60. Now this is what we should be aiming to do, because this is what we've been doing in P2, doing column method and being able to understand what numbers go where. And this is where we have to be really careful. We have to make sure that we're keeping all the numbers written in the right place. Especially if you're using your math book and you've got those grid lines. That's exactly why we have the grids in the maths books. Yeah, we're pretending that we're adding zeros in. But remember, we don't say the zeros, or we don't really normally count the zeros, just because in maths we can normally be lazy to try and speed us up. So $14.90 plus $13.50. This is the fast way to do it. And like a normal addition, I always work from the right-hand side and go to the left. Okay, so 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 5 is 14. And then what happens is 1 goes into the other side. So 1 plus 4 plus 3 is 8, and 1 plus 1 is 2, $28.40. Okay, $40. So every time we've got 100 cents, remember that's $1, so we carry it over. Working it out this way, calculating it this way, shows us that we can do it. Actually gives us ways that we can do it in our head and speed it up. So that way I can just do 80 plus 50 is $1.50. So then that way I can just do 4 add 8 is 12, $72.50. Now we got to look at 3 additions all at the same time. It has $9. How to buying? How much is left? So he's doing $9.90 minus $6.61. So how do we calculate that? Well, there all the money is worked out there, and we're just cancelling off what he spent. Or we're doing the subtraction format. Okay. So this is where we need to be comfortable at. Okay. Kelly has $48. How much money does she spend? So we need to find this difference. So we write it down. We just draw our zeros down. 50 minus, 0 minus 0, nothing. 5 minus 0 is 5. Right, 7 minus 8 can't do. We turn it to a 4. And then turn this to a 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. And then 4 minus 4 is 0. $9.50. The difference between the price. This is obviously more expensive. So now we've just got to find the difference between the two of them, which is difference is subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 8. Okay, we can't do it. So we take our 5 and we add it onto there. So now we've got 15 minus 8, which is 7. And now we've got 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. Ooh. We've got hopefully an answer of 35 and 70 cents. Okay, so this is this chapter. Hopefully you've not found it too difficult. We've got 6 worksheets this week, so quite a lot of work. Good luck, P2.